Good morning, students. I'm again with you to continue the chapter. In our previous video, we discussed about the Maurya dynasty. The founder of Maurya dynasty was Chandragupta Maurya, who became the emperor in 321 BCE. We have already discussed about it. Also, we discussed the sources which tell us about the Mauryas or the administration of Mauryas. The Indica of Megasthenes, Arthashastra of Chanakya or Kautilya, the inscriptions of King Ashoka. So we have already discussed about it. Today we will discuss about the administration of Mauryas. There were 5 major political centers in the empire. They divided the total empire into 5 major centers. Out of these 5, one was the capital, Patliputra, and 4 provinces were also existed: Takshila, Ujjaini, Tosli, and Suvarnagiri, all mentioned in Ashokan inscriptions. If we examine the content of inscriptions, we find almost same message in all the inscriptions. So, because the empire was so vast, so big, today from Afghanistan, Pakistan, until the area of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, it was the part of Maurya dynasty. So, the administration of a big, so vast kingdom was uniform or it was different. Historians are in doubt about it. Historians have increasingly came to realize that this is unlikely. It could not be because the rules, the administration could not be uniform for a so big kingdom. The reasons included when the empire were just too diverse, because historians have been found the part of these kingdoms were so diverse. The hilly terrain of Afghanistan and the coastal area of Orissa, I have told you, Afghanistan was also the part of Maurya dynasty. So that is a hilly region, and Andhra and Orissa were also the part of that kingdom. So those are the coastal areas. So how the administration could be uniform? So obviously it was different. So they divided their kingdom into 5 major parts. Out of that, one was capital, and the part which were the part of one province, the administration was different from the different provinces. It is likely that administration control was strongest in the areas around the capital. The parts which were near the capital, the administration was different there. These centers were carefully chosen, both Takshila and Ujjaini being situated on important long distance trade routes. So they made Takshila and Ujjaini the provinces, while Suvarnagiri, which is literally mean golden mountain, which is the part of Karnataka today also, Suvarnagiri, Sone ka Pahad, because gold mines were also there. So they made this part also a province, Suvarnagiri, and the area which was near about it, it was the part of Suvarnagiri. So in all the 5 provinces, the administration was different. The historians have been found. Here in source 1, you can see what the king's official did. So Megasthenes, who came into the court of Chandragupta Maurya, he wrote Indica. There are some lines from Indica in which he had discussed what the king's official did. Of the great officers of the state, some superintended the rivers, measure the land as it is done by in Egypt, and inspect the sluices by which water is let out from the main canals into the branches, so that everyone may have an equal supply of it. So what was the work of the officials? वो रिवर्स को सुपरिंटेंडेंट करते थे, लैंड को मेज़र करते थे जैसा इजिप्ट में होता था, वो इंश्योर करते थे कि मेन कैनाल से जो सब ब्रांचेस हैं उनके अंदर इक्वल वाटर जाए ताकि सबको इक्वल सप्लाई मिले. द सेम पर्सनस हैव चार्ज ऑल्सो ऑफ द हर्ट्समैन से वो चार्ज करते थे. वो उनकी कैपेबिलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग उनको रिवॉर्ड और पनिश करते थे, टैक्स कलेक्ट करते थे, एंड ऑक्यूपेशंस को भी, जो लैंड से कनेक्टेड ऑक्यूपेशन थे उनको ऑब्जर्व करते थे. वुड कटर्स, कारपेंटर्स या ब्लैक स्मिथ्स या माइनर्स को भी वो ऑब्जर्व करते थे, सुपरिंटेंड करते थे. कम्युनिकेशन जो है लैंड एंड बोथ एंड रिवर दोनों से होता था. जर्नीज फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द प्रोविंसेस could have taken weeks in if not months. So historians have been found कि all the 5 provinces were so far from each other. So the communication was done land and river, and it took so many times, if not months, it took weeks. So there were arrangements for the travelers. Megasthenes have mentioned 6 committees there who were responsible for it. This is a 3 marks question. You can see here Megasthenes mentioned a committee with 6 committees, and all the 6 committees were assigned the different works. First, who looked after the navy. Second, managed transport and provisions. Third, were responsible for foot soldiers. Fourth, for horses. Fifth, for chariots, and the sixth, for the elephants. These were the activities divided for the different subcommittees of the army, and it is described by Megasthenes in his book Indica. You must write this question as a 3 marks in your notebook. And also Ashoka also tried to hold his empire together by his Dhamma. Dhamma means dharma, the Buddhism. He tried to spread Buddhism. So according to him, he must ensure well-being of people in this world and next. So he appointed the special officers to spread Dhamma, who were known as Dhamma Mahamatta. This is 1 mark question. It is repeated by CBSE a lot of time in the final exams in 1 mark. The special officers appointed by Ashoka for Dhamma, who were known as Dhamma Mahamatta. Okay students, we will continue the chapter in our next video. Write down the questions which I have told you. Thank you.